home hack, unleashing the handiest tips for a smoother living space. Welcome to Southern Charm DIY. Oil change trough. Make changing the oil in your lawnmower, snowblower, and outdoor machines less messy with this handy hint. Cut off a piece of an empty cereal box and fold it into a trough. Then tip the machine and use the trough to guide the oil into the waste pan. The glossy coating on the cereal box keeps the oil from soaking through. Cardboard drop cloth. Save large pieces of cardboard from boxes that you bring into your home. Store them along a wall in your garage or workshop so they're at the ready when you're working on a messy project such as refinishing furniture or changing the oil in your car. A large slab of cardboard makes a perfect disposable drop cloth. Recycle peanut butter jars. Plastic peanut butter jars work better for storage than glass baby food jars because they hold a lot more hardware and won't break into shards if you drop one. Attach the lids of 28 Oz jars under a shelf with 2 screws so the lid can't spin when you loosen the jar and screw on the loaded jar. For quick access, cut away half of a 64 Oz peanut butter jar with a sharp utility knife, leaving the neck intact, then attach the lid and jar to the side of a cabinet. If you load it with lemon drops, we won't tell. Cardboard spray booth. Prevent paint overspray with this clever spray booth made from a cardboard box. Cut a hole in the top of the box. Cover the opening with plastic wrap and position a shop light above to illuminate your project. You can use coat hangers poked through the cardboard to hold and rotate the objects as you're painting them. Not only will your shop be neater, but your paint projects will now be thumbprint-free. Tennis ball parking guide. If you have ever wondered why a tennis ball was hanging from your friend's garage ceiling, here's why. To park your car in perfect position every time, hang a tennis ball from the garage ceiling so it just touches the windshield. It will show you precisely where to stop. No guesswork. Dust catcher. Before drilling or cutting into a wall, tape a bag below the work zone and it will catch the falling dust. Having trouble with dust in your home? Tarp trailer. With a big, cheap plastic tarp, you can drag leaves, branches, or mulch around your yard. Hidden remotes. Adhesive-backed hook and loop strips let you stick remote controls under an end table. They'll always be handy when you're ready to watch TV but won't clutter up tabletops. Solid cord connection. A knot keeps cord ends from pulling apart as you drag them around. Long reach shears. Slip PVC pipes over the handles of your pruning shears and tape them in place to extend your reach and clip high branches without a ladder. Brush with a drill. Got a big scrubbing job on your list? Chuck a brush into your drill and save the elbow grease. You'll find drill-ready brushes for all kinds of scrubbing from Drill Brush. Hands-free door trick. Need to go in and out the same door a bunch of times while carrying stuff? To keep the door from latching shut, I loop a rubber band around one doorknob or handle, then twist it once and loop it around the other knob. The rubber band holds the latch in. Now if the door closes, I can push it back open with my body whenever my hands are full. Pull tab picture frame hook. If you're hanging pictures and run out of those sawtooth hangers, just grab the nearest pop can. Bend the pull tab back and forth until it breaks off, then screw it to your picture frame. Bend the free end out slightly and hang the picture. Stir stick paint organizer. When you buy custom mixed paint, the paint clerk slaps the mix label on top of the can. I always ask for an extra label to wrap around a stir stick. When I'm done with the project, I let the stir stick dry and drill a hole near the top of it. Then I label both the stick and the can with the name of the room where I used the paint. I hang the stir sticks near the cans of leftover paint. With both the color formula and a dried paint sample in view, I don't have to pull down every can to find the right one for touch-ups. Wine cork saver. Synthetic wine corks are great for sealing partially used tubes of cork. Drill a 5/16 in. Hole into the cork about 1 in, deep. The cork fits perfectly and makes an airtight seal. 6-pack shop organizer. 6-pack cartons are useful for storing and transporting items like spray paint, lubricants, and caulk. Grocery bag shoe covers. Reuse plastic grocery bags as shoe covers. The plastic keeps dirt and water contained, and the handle loops can be tied around your ankles to keep them on when you step inside your house for a quick break. Use a rubber band to grip stripped screws. We've all stripped a couple of screws in our day, and it normally isn't a big setback until you need to unscrew it, that is. So the next time you're in this situation, try a rubber band for a screw grip. Thank you for watching. Please please like, subscribe, click the bell notification.